Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video we're going to look at the details of how you can automate routine tasks with Cron Jobs in Linux. Let's go ahead and get started. Automating routine tasks in Linux is essential for efficient system administration. Cron Jobs, managed by the Cron daemon, allows scheduling of scripts and commands. This guide covers cron job configuration and practical applications like backups, updates, and system maintenance. Cron is a time-based job scheduler in Unix-like systems. It uses Crontab files to define schedules for commands. Each user can have a personal Crontab, and there's also a system-wide Crontab for administrative tasks. The Cron daemon is a job scheduler in Unix-like systems. It uses the Crontab file to execute commands at specified times. Each user can have a personal Crontab, and there's also a system-wide Crontab for administrative tasks. Crontab files have 6 fields representing minute, hour, day of the month, day of the week, and the command. Examples include running a script daily at 2:30 a.m., a command every Monday at 5 p.m., and a task every 15 minutes. A Crontab file consists of 6 fields specifying when to execute a command. Fields include minute, hour, day of the month, and day of the week. The asterisk represents all possible values for a field. Here's some examples of cron job schedules. You can run a script daily at 2:30 a.m., execute a command every Monday at 5 p.m., or run a task every 15 minutes. To manage Crontab files, you can edit, list, or remove cron jobs. User-specified Crontabs can be edited with a command, while system-wide Crontabs require admin privileges. To edit your user-specified Crontab file, use the command to open it in the default text editor. This allows you to add, modify, or remove scheduled tasks. System-wide cron jobs are defined in the itset Crontab or within the itset cron.d file. Editing these files requires administrative privileges. Here's how you can manage cron entries. It includes viewing your current cron jobs and removing all cron jobs for your user. Key system maintenance tasks include scheduling automated backups, performing routine system maintenance, and synchronizing data between servers. To ensure efficient cron job management, use absolute paths to avoid environment variable issues. Redirect output to log files for troubleshooting, test scripts independently before scheduling, and monitor cron logs to verify execution. In summary, cron jobs automate repetitive tasks in Linux, enabling system efficiency, and understanding cron job syntax helps for scheduling commands and scripts for consistent execution. Best practices include using absolute paths and monitoring logs to maintain a reliable workflow. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it's given you the details you need to get started scheduling jobs on your own Linux system using Cron. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye for now.